How to charge Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can charge the Joy-Con controllers. It takes approximately 3.5 hours to fully charge the Joy-Con controllers. The Joy-Con charging grip is not included in any Nintendo Switch bundle. This product is sold separately. You can charge Joy-Con in different ways with Nintendo Switch. You can do it while attached to the Nintendo Switch console or while attached to the Joy-Con charging grip. First, let's discuss how you can charge Joy-Con while it is attached to the Nintendo Switch console. The first step is to attach the Joy-Con to the Nintendo Switch console and power it on. In order for the Joy-Con to charge while attached to the Nintendo Switch console, the console must be connected to the AC adapter and powered on or in sleep mode. Now you can charge the console. Another way to charge is while attached to the Joy-Con charging grip. For this, you want to attach the Joy-Con to the Joy-Con charging grip. Now connect the Joy-Con charging grip to the Nintendo Switch dock using the USB cable that was included with the charging grip or connected directly to Nintendo Switch AC adapter. And these are two different ways on how you can charge the Joy-Con controllers. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.